In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how I can fix D3DX9 underscore 33 DLL missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. First is you have to check your system type. So go to the Windows search bar and type system info. Click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type and then double click a browser or open a browser. Simply search for the missing DLL and put download and then hit enter. Click on it on the first match. Scroll down and click the download button corresponding to your system type and wait for this to be downloaded. Once downloaded, simply click on the folder icon and then right click and then select extract all. Click on extract. Copy the DLL file, right click and then select copy. Go to this PC on the left pane, double click on the Windows C drive. Scroll down to the Windows folder, double click. Locate the System 32 folder. So if you are a 64-bit Windows, go to System 32. If you are a 32-bit, go to SYS WoW 64. And then simply make a right click and then select paste and click on replace the file in the destination. Now once done, right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. Then open a browser again for the next method. Search for Visual C++ redistributable, hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and click the download link corresponding to your system type. Simply download it and then double click on that setup file and install this into your Windows 11, the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.